Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving right into how you can track bill due dates and payments using Todoist, a powerful task management tool to keep your finances organized. Let's kick things off by creating a new project. Go to the left side panel, click on the plus button next to Projects, and title your new project Bills. This is crucial because it helps to keep all your bill-related tasks separate from the rest of your to-dos, making it easier to manage. Next up, let's start adding your bills as tasks. You can do this by clicking on the plus button in your bills project. For each bill you have, create a new task. Be sure to include the name of the bill, the amount, and the due date. The reason we do this is to ensure that all the necessary details are visible at a glance, preventing you from missing any crucial information. Now that we've done that, let's take advantage of Todoist's recurring tasks feature. For each task, click on the Schedule button and set the tasks to repeat based on how often the bill is due. This could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. This helps us because it automates the process. Once you've set it up, Todoist will automatically remind you of your bill due dates, saving you the hassle of remembering each one. Moving along, let's discuss labels. Labels in Todoist are a way to categorize your tasks. We recommend creating labels for your bills based on the method of payment. For example, you can create labels like credit card, direct debit, or cash. To add a label, simply type @ followed by the label name in the task description. This is important as it helps you quickly see how each bill should be paid, streamlining the payment process. Finally, let's talk about priorities. Todoist allows you to set different priority levels for your tasks. We suggest using this feature to prioritize your bills based on their due dates. Bills due sooner can be set to a higher priority level. To set a priority level, click on the flag icon on your task and select the appropriate level. This is beneficial as it ensures that you tackle your most urgent bills first, thereby avoiding any late payment penalties. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently track your bill due dates and payments using Todoist, ensuring you never miss a payment. Until next time, happy organizing.